And the first order I'm going to be signing here relates to COVID, and it's requiring, as I said all along, where I have authority, mandating masks be worn, social distancing be kept on federal property, on interstate commerce, etc.
Also among the orders, the return of the United States to the Paris Climate Accord, a reversal of the decision to leave the World Health Organization, the lifting of the ban on travel from some Muslim-majority countries, and an immediate cancellation of